Hey everyone, this is Daniel from CouchPotatoCamping.com. Today I want to show you a quick and easy upgrade that we did on our 2021 Sol Horizon. Hey everyone, so like many Sol Horizons, we have the MaxxAir fan installed in our 2021 Sol Horizon. So we decided to upgrade a little bit and provide us the ability to crack the vent during certain situations when you're storing or when you're out in the desert, etc. So we decided to install the MaxxAir Fan Mate roof vent cover model 855 in the white color. So what you're looking at here is our existing vent atop our 2021 Sol Horizon. And as you can see, our MaxxAir vent fan came installed with the existing tabs for this roof vent cover. So step one is to remove any of the existing sealant that might be covering the mounting peg. Now one thing to note is I was very careful not to remove too much sealant as we did not want water intrusion to get down into and underneath the existing sealant here. And later in the install I will show and describe how I went back and resealed the tops of these pegs after the install. So to remove the existing roof sealant, I took a utility knife blade that was brand new and sharp and just carefully removed the excess roof sealant around the mounting pegs. And in some cases, there's 4 pegs. One of the pegs I had to actually remove sealant that was in the mounting bracket hole. As you can see here, as I'm removing some of the roof sealant around the mounting peg, you can see the gap in between the mounting peg and the roof sealant itself. So that's where later in the installation I went back and resealed with some silicone sealant to fill that gap to make sure that water does not get down in between the mounting bracket and the top of the roof underneath the roof sealant. Here you can see the 4 factory provided brackets that we will be using. These pegs simply slide into the existing roof mount pegs. Here you can see where I'm taking the roof vent mounting bracket and dry fitting it into the existing roof peg. This is to make sure that the roof mounting peg hole is free and clear of any roof sealant that might have been left behind once I removed it. Next step is to dry fit the MaxxAir vent on top of the existing mounting peg. Here you can align the 4 holes with the existing roof mounting pegs. Next, what you want to do is take the mounting clip and slide it through the roof vent bracket and make sure it aligns with the existing roof mounting peg. I should note that the directions state that the roof mounting bracket should face in the direction that I'm currently showing, so that the open end of the bracket faces towards the rear of your trailer. The final step of the install is to attach the back cover, which is the actual venting portion of the roof vent cover. Make sure the 2 bottom holes are aligned with the back cover, and then once those are aligned and in place, simply rotate up the back cover and attach the 2 pegs at the top of the roof vent. Make sure you hear a clicking sound twice, and that way you know that they're securely fastened. Okay, that's it. That's all the steps that's really required to install the MaxxAir roof vent cover. The hardest part of this install actually was removing the existing roof sealant around the mounting pegs. That took actually longer than actually installing the roof vent and clipping it in. But again, this is a very simple and easy install to maximize your MaxxAir vent fan. We chose the white just simply because it was an aesthetic reason. This model does come in black and like a smoky gray color as well. I'll provide all the information about the MaxxAir Fan Mate roof vent cover in the description below. At the time of this video, we purchased this MaxxAir Fan Mate roof vent cover from eTrailer.com, and the price was about $76. Again, we are not sponsored by MaxxAir Fan or eTrailer.com. We just simply wanted to show you a quick and easy install and upgrade. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. We appreciate you watching our videos. Stay tuned to this channel and check out our website, couchpotatocamping.com, for more installation videos and more info about RVing and camping. Thank you, everyone.